I have logged in the account of Appelsec. Now I'm going to do the PV or KYC. So I am clicking on the verify my account, this red portion. Then I am going to click on the proceed to personal verification. Then Nordic is opening, it's a gateway. It is saying check the personal verification, the lifestyle username, this is the username, there's a name, email. So this is warning is given because you are going to do the PV. So you check everything is okay or not, means the same person that you want to do PV is done or not. Now I am going to do the payment not by the credit card, not by the PayPal, not by bank transfer, not by crypto or not by Google or Apple Pay. I am going to do it by voucher. I have already purchased a voucher, so I am going to use the voucher code. So let me get the voucher code. So this is the voucher code which I am copying, and then I am going to paste the voucher code, and after pasting the voucher code I am going to click on the redeem. The first step is done. We are going to put the name. The name is Appelsec. So let me put that name. I'll put the name in capital, Appelsec, and then I'm going to check once the name is correct or not. Yes, Appelsec. Okay, then I'm going to put the country India. India is already there, so I'll put yes. Next. Now the step 1 is completed. Now step 2 I have to do. So they are asking me to put the ID document. So first I am going to do the ID document. So I press on the plus sign. Now these are the rules that they are showing. The ID document should be flat, then it should be filling the entire frame, not a very small one. Then the ID document should be in the landscape orientation, not in the other way. The ID document should be having a plain background if possible, and not against things, other things. Then the ID document should be taken in a good natural light, and no flash should be there. You should note this one, very important. No flash should be there in the ID document. Then asking for the file, I'll go for that. So let us find out the WhatsApp ID document. I have done it, or I've done in the file, that is, this was the ID document. So I'm clicking it, it is uploading. Now it will take a little while to upload. It's a photo unclear. So it's saying photo unclear, please follow the instructions. Let me try again. The entire process has to be again attempted. Okay, the ID document was successfully submitted. Now let me proceed. Let us go for the selfie. Again, it should not cover the face with anything, on the shoulders, anything. It should not be sideways. It should be centered and with natural light, no shadowing. This should be having a natural background, means nothing should be at the back to obstruct the picture, and it should not be squinting the eyes, means the eyes should be open up, it should not close the eyelids, and there is no face masks, nothing on the cover also. These are the rules. So sunglasses allowed, no hair should cover the face. So let me go on for the picture which I have already taken. I'm uploading the picture. So selfie was successful. Proceed. Congratulations, it is done. That means the verification was successful. So finish it up. After finishing, I will now go to click on the menu bar on the top left hand corner. and then I'll scroll down and come to the my account overview. Then I'll click on overview. It is green, so personal verification is approved. So this is done. So let me take a screenshot and give it to the respective person so that that person can understand it is approved.